How to fix Zangi not working on mobile data. Having trouble getting Zangi to work when you are off Wi-Fi. You are on the mobile data but the messages won't send or calls won't connect. Let's look a few things you can try. First thing, is your mobile data actually on? Sounds simple but double check. Let's see mine. So you can see my mobile data is on. So make sure you haven't accidentally turned it off in your phone setting. Also check your signal strength. If you have a very poor signal, a Zangi like any app will struggle to connect. You can see it's a little bit poor right now, so that could be the reason why your Zangi is not working on mobile data. Next, let's check Zangi itself. Sometimes the app needs specific setting for your mobile data uses. Go to your phone app setting, find Zangi and make sure it's allowed to use mobile data in the background or foreground. For that, what you can do is you can go to the setting and use all the process that I have said earlier, or you can just tap on your Zangi app like this, and there you can see an option for app info. Tap on it and that will directly take you to your app information. Now here you can see permissions. Tap on it. So here you can see permission. I have allowed most of them. It's just nearby devices and photos and videos are not allowed right now. Let's go back, and there you can see an option called mobile data and Wi-Fi. Tap on it, and as you can see, I have allowed background data which enable mobile data in the background, so this is not issue right here on my phone. Now let's talk about another common fix, that is clearing the app cache. Over time, cache data can cause glitches. Again, in your phone app setting, find the Zangi, go to the stories and clear the cache. As we are inside the app info, what you can do is simply tap on stories and cache, which is right over here. Tap on it, and there you can see an option called clear cache. Simply tap on it and it's done. And don't worry, doing this usually won't delete your chats, and if none of that works, a quick reinstall can often solve the persistent issues. Uninstall the Zangi, restart your phone and then download and install it again from your App Store or Google Play Store. Give these steps a try. Hopefully one of them gets the Zangi working smoothly on your mobile data again. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.